Hello traders, and welcome to this week's Click Trading Education Market Roundup for the week ending October 3rd, 2025, a week of shutdowns, surprises and speculation. Let's break it down. In the US, politics stole the show. Congress failed to pass a funding bill and the government officially shut down on October 1st. Agencies like the SEC and CFTC furloughed staff, and even key data releases like non-farm payroll were cancelled with no official numbers. Traders leaned on ADP private payrolls, which showed a surprise 32,000 jobs lost. That uncertainty boosted expectations for an earlier Fed rate cut, possibly this month instead of December. The market impact: the S&P, Dow and Nasdaq all gained about 1%. The Russell outperformed with a 1.75% rise. Gold and silver rallied strongly and the dollar weakened against the yen. Across the pond, the UK and Europe faced their own challenges. In Britain, services PMI fell to 50.8, just above contraction, and manufacturing slid further to 46.2. Budget uncertainty has businesses and consumers on pause. Politically, Conservative leader Kemi Badenoch raised eyebrows with comments about potentially leaving the European Court of Human Rights. In Europe, Czech elections boosted populist candidate Andrej Babiš, raising questions about EU unity. The FTSE 100 managed a 1.82% gain thanks to strong mining and resource stocks, while sterling and the euro both edged higher against a softer US dollar. Globally, it was a tale of opposites. Crude oil tumbled more than 6% on oversupply concerns and slowing demand. Meanwhile, crypto markets lit up. Bitcoin gained 11%, Ethereum rose 10%, Solana soared 12%, and even XRP climbed more than 6%. The US dollar index slipped just under 0.5%, giving currencies like the Aussie dollar some breathing space. So what can we learn from this week? US traders had to navigate politics instead of data. UK and EU traders got weak growth signals. Patience is key. Global traders saw divergence. Oil sank, crypto soared, metal shone. The lesson: trading is less about calling the future and more about managing risk in the present. Looking ahead, next week could bring fireworks of its own. In the US, Fed minutes and speeches will be closely watched, along with the earnings season in mid-October looming. In the UK and Europe, budget leaks and business confidence surveys could shift pound and gilt yields. Globally, oil traders will watch OPEC supply updates, while crypto traders need to stay alert to regulatory headlines. It's the theme: expectations versus reality. Don't trade the first headline, wait for confirmation. This week reminded us that markets may look different across regions, but the core challenge remains the same: staying disciplined, managing risk, and sticking to process. That's what we teach at Click Trading Education: real-world trading skills guided by experience. Until next week, trade smart and stay humble.